Good question. So Colourvibe will affect different shades. Basically, if we separate Isabel's hair, you can see she's got dimension already running through this already natural platinum colour. So what it will do is when you apply your product on the really pre-lightened ends, the level 10 area here, this will go true to tone. But as you can see where she's got a bit of warmth coming through, that'll go a lot darker, so you'll get a much more dimensional shade. It'll not just be all one colour. So on Isabel, we are going to apply it on dry hair because we want a more maximum impact of pigment. I'm just going to apply it roots to ends, but if you are wanting to do it for festival season or on holiday or anything like that, you can apply just through to the mids and ends, and you can also apply different colours. But today we're going to apply the dusty pink, and we're going to show you how to do that now. So it's easy like that, and then you can just spread it through. And then don't be too scared to get in there and massage it in. But what I always say as well is, if you have got a root colour, always leave that to the last minute because it's not pre-lightened. Don't waste too much colour on that root area. Apply to your midlands and ends first, and then you can always go back into that root area afterwards and apply. So you'd use a semi-permanent colour on anybody basically, like my client Isabel. You'd use it on anybody who's got pre-lightened hair or anybody who's grey as well. Basically it's suited for everybody with blonde hair. So we're going to leave this one for 20 minutes. It does say on the back of the tube that you leave it on for 20 minutes, just because then it's going to give it even absorption of the product. But if you wanted a much more diluted version, leave it on less. If you wanted a stronger version, leave it on longer. But we're going to leave this on for 20 minutes once applied. Right as well, so we've all done, we've all finished. How do you feel?
I love it, I love the colour, it feels so healthy, it feels amazing.
Looks so good, doesn't it?
Love it, yeah.